Hello, good morning. My name is Risyandita Maratamya Putri. In this video, I will show the tutorial make a context diagram to document account payable at SNS with Microsoft Visio. First, we open the Microsoft Visio application. Then, we choose blank drawing and click create. Previously, we changed the paper to landscape because we need a large space. Click design and then click orientation and choose landscape. Prepare the shape that we will use in making this context diagram. Type DFD in search column. This is the search column. And then we type DFD. Click enter. Then the shape that we will use appears. Click more result so that more shape appears. Now, let's start creating the context diagram of account payable processing at SNS. First, we make a circle shape. The circle shape on the diagram is called data process. Data process represents transformation of data. Click the circle shape, hold, and drop it in the middle of paper, and then adjust the size. Then, type the data process that we will create. Type SNS account payable. And adjust the size to make it easier to read. Now, we will make a diagram for each section. The first is purchasing section. We make a square shape. The square shape in the diagram is called data source or data destination. Data source or data destination is represent organization or individuals that send or receive data used or produced by the system. Click the square shape, hold, and drop it where you want. And then adjust the size. Then type purchasing. Adjust the size of text to make it easier to read. To connect between a circle and a square shape, we use data flow. Data flow is appear as a rows and represent the flow of data between search and destination, processes, and data store. Click, hold, and drop it the shape arrows in the paper and adjust the size and position. And then we give a description of the activity. Click arrows in a paper and type purchase order. Adjust the size of text and adjust the position. The section is explained that in process account payable at SNS, purchasing department do the purchase order. And now we enter the receiving section. Like before this, we make a square shape first and adjust the size and the position and type receiving and adjust the text to make it easier to read. To connect of both, make shape arrows, adjust the size and position, and then type the activity that is receiving report. Don't forget to adjust the size of text. This section explains in process account payable at SNS, receiving department make a receiving report. Now we enter in the vendor section. Firstly, we make square shape, adjust the size and position, then type vendor. And adjust the size of text. To connect vendor and system, we use shape arrow. The vendor perform activity twice, so we make shape arrow twice too. Adjust size and position of the two of shape arrow. And then give description activity. The activity first, type invoice. Don't forget to adjust the size. And the second activity is type payment and remittance advice. And adjust the size of text. This section is explained that the vendor invoice SNS and then SNS provides payment and remittance advice to the vendor. This square means data search if the vendor perform invoice activity, and can mean data destination if the vendor gets payment and remittance advice. Then the last section is management section. Firstly, we make a square shape, adjust the size. And then adjust the position, then type management. And then don't forget adjust the size of text. After that, make shape arrow, adjust the location and size, and give the description type account payable report. Don't forget to adjust the size of text to make it easier to read. This section shows that the management department in the account payable process at SNS receive an account payable report. To beautify the diagram we make, we can click design and then we choose the color we like. This is the diagram context we make. So the explanation for this context diagram is that the account payable process at SNS start from purchasing department making a purchase order, and then vendor gives an invoice to SNS. After that, SNF receiving department receives the invoice and makes a receiving report. After maturity, SNS will make payment and remittance advice to the vendor. After that, an account payable report will be created and given to the management department. That's all from me. Thank you. Hello, back again with me, Ristiandita Martamia Putri. In the previous session, we discussed how to create context diagram of account payable processing at SNS. Now I will explain how to create a level 0 data flow diagram of SNS account payable. Like the previous session, we are still use Microsoft Visio. Choose blank drawing and click create. Shape at level 0 data flow diagram have the same meaning, purpose, relationship as context diagram. Because in the previous session we already knew the step to create a diagram, so in this video I will show first how I make a level 0 data flow diagram of SNS account payable. Then at the end of the video I will explain the flow so that the duration of the video is not too long. Now we start to create a data flow diagram. It starts with making a diagram on the first process, that is record payable process. Next, we will create a diagram of the second process, that is collect and store purchase order and receiving report. Next, we create the third process of diagram, that is make the payment process. And for the last, we make the last process diagram, that is prepare management reports. Then I color it so that the level 0 data flow diagram of SNS account payable looks more attractive. Then I will explain the flow of level 0 DFD of SNS account payable. The shaped circle in this diagram means data process, meaning that the first process in SNS account payable is record payable. The shaped square is data source, meaning that the data comes from the vendor. The vendor issues an invoice for SNS, then the account payable section records amount owed and is due. The shape to horizontal line is called data store. Data store represents a temporary or permanent repository of data. After the invoice from the vendor is recorded, the account payable data is saved and the vendor invoice file also saved. Both of the data will be used in the next process. Both data will be used on the end forward to the third process, that is make payment, and for data account payable will also be forwarded to the process of preparing management report. After processing the record payable, we continue with the process collect and store purchase order and receiving report. In this process, the purchasing department makes a purchase order, then the purchase order file is saved. And the receiving department creates a receiving report, then the file of receiving report is saved. The two stored data will be used in the next process, that is make payment. After that, we enter the third process, that is make payment process. Before making a payment, SNS matches the existing data, that is account payable data, vendor invoice, purchase order files, and receiving report. If all the existing data is correct, SNS will make payment to the vendor. After making payment, SNS will generate a paid invoice and the file will be stored permanently. In addition, a paid invoice, in this process SNS will also make a cash disbursement journal, which then the data is stored permanently. After making the payment process, we enter the last process, that is prepare management report. Using the account payable data, an account payable report will be created, then the account payable report will be given to the management. That's my explanation about level 0 data flow diagram of SNS account payable. I hope this can be helped. Thank you. Hello, welcome back again with me Ristianita Martamia Putri. In the previous video, I explained about context diagram and level 0 diagram of SNS account payable. In this video, I will show tutorial to make flowchart of account payable processing at SNS using Microsoft Visio. The shape of the flowchart is different from the shape in the context diagram or level 0 DFD. Now, we can start to create a flowchart. First, open Microsoft Visio application and then choose basic flowchart. Before starting to create, we prepare the shape that we will use. In this case, a flowchart of account payable process at SNS, apart from requiring basic shape, we also need miscellaneous flowchart shapes, because in the middle of this process, a paper of document will be needed, and the symbol of the paper of document will be in the miscellaneous flowchart. To add it, we click more shape, and then click flowchart, and then click miscellaneous flowchart shape. Because the account payable processing at SNS there are 3 departments involved, so we first create a space for each department. Click cross-functional flowchart shape and choose swimlane vertical. Click, hold, drag and drop it in the paper and adjust the position. Since it takes 3 department, repeat this 3 times and adjust each space of department. Adjust the size for each department. For title, we type SNS account payable. And for function, we type each existing department, that is account payable, and then controller, and owner or management. Now, it will be easier for us to create a flowchart because all the symbols needed are already available and space for each department is available. In this video, I will first create a flowchart, and at the end of the video, I will explain the name, function, and relationship of each symbol. And I will also explain the flow of this flowchart. Let's see how I create this flowchart. Now, we start create a flowchart of SNS account payable. First, we create a flowchart for department account payable. Now, we create a flowchart for a department controller. And for the last, we make flowchart for department owner or management. Then I will color it the flowchart so the flowchart looks more beautiful. This is a flowchart of SNS account payable that I have made. Here I will explain the flow as well as the meaning of the existing symbol. The name of tree symbol is terminal. It's used to start or end a process, starting from the purchasing, receiving, and vendor, each of which produce a different file. The name of this symbol is a document that serves to inform that this is an electronic or paper document or report. The purchasing section provides a file of purchase order, the receiving section provides a receiving report, and the vendor section provides a vendor invoice file to the account payable department. This triangle symbol is a storage symbol which indicates that is a paper of document, while the letter A means that the order is alphabetically. Then the file of purchase order and receiving report is saved first in a paper document with the file order A. We turn to the vendor. After the vendor provides the vendor invoice, then the process recording account payable is carried out, namely recording the total debt and the due date. This symbol means manual operation, so that the processing operation performed manually. After the account payable department record the account payable, the vendor invoice will be grouped into a paper of document A, together with the purchase order and receiving report files. Then the account payable department matches the purchase order file, receiving report, and invoice. If everything is correct, then the three files will be transferred to the controller department. The circle symbol with the letter A is a symbol on page connector which functions to connect processing flow on the same page. In addition, it also connects process from one department to another. For example, this is a circle symbol with the letter A. Then the process will be continued by the same symbol in the controller department. This means that symbol connects the account payable department and the controller department. Then the controller department will process these three documents. The controller department prepare vendor checks, then the vendor checks preparation process is done manually. The output of the process is used to create a cash disbursement journal. The process of preparing vendor checks produce a file in the form of checks which will then be doubled. The continuation of these 5 files will be processed by the department manager because the circle B symbol. and the continuation of the circle B symbol is in the manager department. Then the six files are processed by department manager. The manager department conducts review and sign checks. This process is done manually. After checking the first check will be provided to the vendor. Then the remaining 4 files will be further processed by the account payable department because there is a circle C symbol and the continuation of the circle C symbol is in the account payable department. By the account payable department, the 4 files are included in the paper of document A. After the account payable department process the account payable record, then they create a payable ledger account. Then the account payable ledger file will be used in the process of preparing monthly account payable, which is done manually by the account payable department. After the process is carried out, it will be produced an account payable report document, which then the document is given to the department manager. Then department manager review the account payable reports. The process is done manually. After the process is carried out, the document of account payable report is entered into the paper of document D. The end of this flowchart is after department manager gives a check 1 to the vendor because the symbol is not only used to start but also to end. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.